Hey everyone, welcome back to The Explainer. So if you're a smaller creator and you're pouring hours into editing only to hit a wall of crickets and frustratingly low numbers, well, this one is absolutely for you. Okay, let's dive right into this because today we're laying out a really clear, actionable roadmap straight out of that low view trap. And the best part, it relies entirely on hidden back-end secrets that feed the algorithm exactly what it's craving. Let me ask you something, and just be completely honest with yourself here. Are your videos stuck under 500 views? Man, it's an incredibly frustrating feeling, right? You put in all this massive hard work, you finally upload your masterpiece, and then bam, less than 500 views. But please, whatever you do, do not throw in the towel just yet. As our source material reveals today, the issue usually isn't the quality of your content. No, it's actually about how you're communicating with the back-end system. We've got some hidden solutions today that can completely change your trajectory. Just to show you what's truly possible when you fix this back-end communication, 350,000. Yep, our source shares a prime example of a single video on a tiny channel that absolutely shattered that 500 view barrier to hit over 350,000 views. And honestly, the best part? The vast majority of that traffic didn't come from exhausting self-promotion or endlessly spamming links on social media. It was driven entirely by tapping into YouTube recommendations. And views aren't just vanity metrics, right? They translate into real-world results. That exact same video generated over $2,000 in revenue for the creator. This brilliantly illustrates that breaking through that view ceiling is highly lucrative, even for a really small channel. Tapping into the recommendation algorithm is literally the biggest secret you need right now to get eyes on your content and turn your passion into a serious income stream. The true beauty of this whole strategy is that the traffic doesn't just spike once and then vanish into thin air. It's ongoing. It's evergreen. Our source points out that this exact same video is pulling in 5,000 views every single 48 hours. I mean, just imagine that. An older upload just working for you around the clock, continuously pulling in thousands of views with zero active promotion. It's wild, and it's all happening because the creator used two very specific back-end settings. So let's unpack the first one right now. All right, secret one, file optimization. This is a pre-upload algorithm hack. Now, this perfectly illustrates exactly what we're talking about. Keep in mind, this happens before you ever even open the YouTube app to hit publish. On the left side, we've got a messy default file name, something like CapCut_export_123.mp4. You know, exactly what most of us export directly from our editing software. But on the right side, there's a keyword optimized name like how_to_get_YouTubeViews.mp4. Just to be super clear here, we are not talking about the video title you type into YouTube. We're talking about actually renaming the raw video file right on your device before you ever hit that upload button. So why does this matter? Well, the why behind this is actually fascinating. When a file isn't optimized, the algorithm is basically flying blind, just left guessing who to recommend your video to. It struggles. But if you rename your file with relevant keywords, as our source notes, immediately you upload this video, YouTube algorithm picks it and start promoting it. You're essentially handing the system a map, telling it exactly who your target audience is on day one, so it can send your content right to the people who actually want to see it. I know the technical side of things can sometimes feel, well, a bit overwhelming. So let's do a really quick breakdown of how to actually rename these files across different devices. First off, always research your relevant keywords before you start. Then, if you're on an iPhone, it's super simple. Just change the name directly in your Files app right after you save the video. For Android users, a really smooth workflow is to save the video to your Google Drive first and then just rename the file right in there. And hey, if you're an old school PC person, just transfer the raw file to your laptop and rename it right on your desktop before you upload. Easy peasy. Okay, moving on to the post-upload phase. Secret 2, autoplay settings. This is how you generate views without anyone even clicking. Our source literally calls this setting mind-blowing because it generates views automatically. Now, I want to slow down just a bit here so we can walk through exactly how to access these crucial settings, because the cool thing is you can do this entirely from your smartphone. Step 1, open up your Google Chrome browser. Step 2, type in YouTube dashboard. Step 3, and listen, this is the absolutely crucial part. You have to request the desktop version from your mobile browser's menu, or this just won't work. Once you're viewing the desktop studio, step 4 is to click on customization on that left side menu. And finally, step 5, navigate straight over to the home tab. Once you're hanging out in that Home tab, you'll spot a toggle to turn on different sections, and you really need to activate two essential ones. First up is the featured video, which automatically plays your chosen video for returning subscribers. Second is the channel trailer, and that one autoplays for completely new, unsubscribed viewers. By strategically selecting a high-value video for both of these slots, you guarantee that anytime absolutely anyone lands on your channel page, that video instantly starts playing. You are literally racking up views without them even touching a play button. It's brilliant. So the crucial point here is, please, whatever you do, do not forget to hit the save button. I know, it sounds incredibly obvious, but we have all been there. After you select those powerful spotlight videos, you've got to navigate over and click save to lock in this constant stream of views. This one simple channel setting optimizes your page so visitors always see your best stuff, and it heavily signals to YouTube exactly which specific videos you want them to push into the recommendation feed. Let's bring it all together. Section 3, your creator action plan. Time to break the 500 view trap. We're taking these two powerful back-end secrets and turning them into a super clear roadmap for you. Let's summarize the core actionable takeaways here. Number 1, research your relevant keywords. Number 2, take that extra 20 seconds to rename your raw video files on your phone or computer before uploading them. Trust me, it's worth it. Number 3, navigate over to your desktop studio customization using that little browser trick we talked about. And finally, set a powerful featured video and channel trailer. Honestly, I can't reiterate this enough. These simple back-end tweaks feed the recommendation algorithm exactly what it needs, and that is what generates those automatic evergreen views for your channel. Which brings us to a final, pretty provocative thought directly from our source material today. Okay, so your files and settings are finally optimized, but what about your actual channel keywords? To ensure your videos keep getting recommended time and time again, optimizing your entire channel with the right keywords in the right places is your very next crucial step to completely mastering this algorithm. So take this action plan, go implement it on your next upload, and keep exploring how you communicate with the backend. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll see you next time.